Hello and welcome to Wealth Builders. Today we're talking about credit and how to use it correctly. Most people will tell you that credit is bad news because most people use it wrong. Where the uneducated use credit to spend money, the rich and successful use credit to make money. But before you can get and use credit, you need an opportunity to use it smartly. Because credit is borrowed money, and what's the use in borrowing money if you're not going to pay it back and use that money to make more money? Now, to get good credit, you need a decent credit score, and you can build this up by starting with a low limit credit card or small loans you don't really need. You can simply pay them back in advance or even just on time. This way, banks have a record that you can responsibly manage borrowed funds, which makes them confident to borrow you more money. Once you've built up a decent credit score, you can leverage your credit to basically make free money, and we're going to show you 3 ways to do this. Number 1, credit card. A credit card is a crucial line of credit if used right. See, if you have an opportunity to make money, but you need money to make that money, you can ask your bank for a credit card, which you can spend immediately. And as long as you pay the money back on time, which is normally 30 days, you get charged 0% interest. That's right, 0%. Now, banks love luring people into getting credit cards because most people use credit wrong. They spend it on everyday living and liabilities like shopping with no income from that credit, and they end up owing the bank. But if you use that credit to buy an asset, something that will make you more money, and you pay the credit back on time, you're set up for success. The limit on your card will depend on your credit score and banking history, but most people can start small, spend and repay in time, and after a while level up to a massive limit with huge opportunity to buy and flip anything. Remember though, if you can't pay it back in time, you will be charged interest, which can sometimes be as high as a personal loan, and needs to be repaid every month, so you have to be 100% sure that you will be able to make back and pay back what you have spent. Credit cards are also mostly protected from fraud and are vital if you have an opportunity to flip something you are guaranteed an instant profit on but need money to buy it. Just make sure you can flip it in 30 days. Next up, we have a personal loan. This is normally bigger amounts that is paid into your account and is charged at a fixed rate per year. Most personal loans don't require you to pay them back every month, and it's easier to obtain larger sums of money at a time. However, they charge a higher percent interest and have less benefits than credit. This is a powerful tool for businesses and startups who need large amounts of money to invest in equipment and open to start trading profitable. And number 3, home loans. This one's for the property investors. A home loan is a monthly payable loan to buy a property. Take a look at most apartments for rent. Essentially, if you're renting, you're paying someone else's bond, also known as a home loan. Ideally, you would want to find a property where the rental income exceeds or matches your monthly loan repayment, and you can rent a cheaper apartment for a few years while your tenant basically pays off your loan. The other option is to stay in the apartment yourself if your current residence's rent is the same as your loaned apartment's rent. This way, your apartment will never be vacant and you are actively looking after your investment. Home loans carry a fluctuating interest rate between 7 and 10% per year, but you can pay back the loan sooner and shorten the length of your loan, or keep the time period the same and lower the monthly payment. Some of the most successful businesses and startups were started with credit, but it is still risky, so once again, make sure you actually have a good opportunity to make money. Without an opportunity, you'll be stuck. So don't take out a loan or get a credit card only to look at the zeros in your account and not make it work for you. Thanks for watching Wealth Builders. Please like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more of our educational videos.